Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. At Surendra Sinha Memorial English School in Boaljur, Silchar, a serious dispute has emerged involving two class 10 students, Shantanu Das, the class captain, and another student named Moon Mukherjee. Shantanu reported Moon's continued unruly and disruptive behavior to the school authorities. However, instead of addressing the issue, the school allegedly took Moon's side. Emboldened by the school's inaction, Moon Mukherjee reportedly began threatening Shantanu with physical violence, including claims that he would arrange for local goons to attack him. When Shantanu and his father, Shajal Kanti Das, a social worker, raised these concerns with the school principal and staff, the school allegedly continued to ignore the seriousness of the threats. As a result, Shantanu has become mentally distressed and fearful for his safety. Seeing no support from the school, his father filed a formal complaint at the Silchar National Highway Police outpost against both Moon Mukherjee and the school authorities. He also made a public appeal to the Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Education Minister Ranoj Pegu, Minister of Barak Valley Development Kaushik Rai, and Kachar Superintendent of Police Noman Mohato, urging them to take immediate and appropriate action against the school and the student involved. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube, and support us by following the Facebook page.
Education Minister আমি দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি যেভাবে সে বারবার ক্লাসে ফেল করার পরে সেই স্কুলে রাখছে এবং সে একটা গুন্ডায় পরিণত হয়েছে এবং গুন্ডামি ধমকি দিচ্ছে সেই সব জিনিস বরদাস্ত করার মতো নয়। আমরা সামাজিকভাবে সবাই মিলে থাকতে চাই। ওর মধ্যে জাতি বিদ্বেষী বক্তব্য রাখে কথা বলছে। ও বলছে ও মণিপুরি এলাকায় স্কুল, আমার ছেলে বাঙালি, আমার ছেলেকে মারবে।